Okay, so in this video I'm going to be testing my internet speed with the speed test, and I'm going to be showing my IP address. So here I'm running the speed test, and here the reaction speed for the ping, and it's measured in milliseconds, and it's showing as 15. And then we have my download speed at 36.54 megabits per second, and then my upload speed at 3.13 megabits per second. Now if we go down to my results history, it shows me what my best results were, so that's 37.10 megabits per second and 3.14 megabits per second. And then here's a comparison of all of the speeds that were tested. I tested them several times. And that is it for the speed test. Now for my IP address, I have my public IPv4, and that's it right there. And then it's showing that my IPv6 is not detected. And then there's my local IP address, and then it shows my location as Lemon Grove in California. And my internet service provider is Cox Communications.